Hey everyone, today we're taking everything we've mastered so far, from numeric operators to string functions, and combining them in new exciting ways. We'll be looking at some practical examples with nested functions. Let's get started. So what does it mean to nest functions? Simply put, nesting is when you place one function inside another function. This allows you to chain together multiple operations in a single formula. Here's a quick example. This formula first trims any extra spaces from your text field with trim, then counts the characters with len. Nesting these functions allow you to get a clean character count in just one step. Let's look at a more practical example. Imagine you're working with a list of 4 numbers that need to be cleaned and formatted. You can nest functions like this. Here's what's happening. First, trim removes any extra spaces from the phone number. Then left grabs the first 3 digits and right grabs the last 7 digits. Finally, concat puts it all together with a dash in between. With this nested formula, you've cleaned and formatted your phone numbers in one go. Now let's tackle a more advanced scenario using conditional logic. Suppose you want to apply a discount only if a customer has spent over $500 and has been a member for more than a year. Here's how you could do it. With this expression, you're nesting AND with an if to check 2 conditions, the total spent and the membership duration. Date-time-diff calculates how long they've been a member, and if both conditions are true, the discount is applied. Pretty neat, right? As you can see, nesting opens up endless possibilities for data manipulation, making your work faster, smarter, and more effective. Thanks for watching.